The ultimate automotive oil film cleaning brush review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're maintaining your car, most people get this wrong by using generic tools that can damage surfaces or fail to remove stubborn oil. The surprising truth about the automotive oil film cleaning brush is that it's specifically engineered to remove oil, grease, and grime efficiently while protecting sensitive surfaces. First, check the brush design. You won't believe how ergonomic and durable it is. Soft bristles with reinforced cores allow deep cleaning without scratching paint, metal, or plastic. Next, review compatibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming one brush fits all. This brush works for engines, wheels, and interior surfaces, making it versatile for detailed maintenance. Consider cleaning efficiency. The surprising truth is that it removes stubborn oil film faster than standard brushes, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and minimizing effort. Finally, rate user reviews. You won't believe how many car enthusiasts praise its longevity, comfort, and performance. Regular use helps maintain a clean, safe, and professional-looking vehicle. In conclusion, the automotive oil film cleaning brush can take you from 0 to pro in car maintenance. By understanding its design, compatibility, cleaning power, and user feedback, you'll achieve a spotless, well-maintained vehicle safely and efficiently. Proper tools make all the difference.